mo yan.
Here I am, leaving with joy, braving the great moment, wondering what the mission brings, oblivious of the danger I feel. Guide me through, I pray. I love you in every way. You are my strength and power. You are my shield and defender. Here I am, oh here I am. Here I am, oh Holy Lord, God on high. Here I am, resting my fear. Happiness battles my worries, preparing myself to all chances, translating heaven on earth. Give me wisdom, my only one. Serving you makes me whole. Spreading your words is my duty. Living with your words is holy. Here I am, oh here I am. Here I am, oh blessed Father. Holy be your name. Here I am, offering my life, everything I surrender. My heart belongs to you. My soul is yours forever. Bless me, I humbly plead. I dwell in your holiness. Your goodness will save me. Your mercy will lift me. Here I am, oh here I am. Here I am, oh dear Jesus, my Savior you are. Here I am, Lord, guide me through, I pray. Give me wisdom, my only one. Bless me, I humbly plead. Here I am, oh here I am.